Welcome to our channel. If you want to avoid medical debt, follow these step-by-step instructions to plan ahead and protect your finances. Step 1. Maintain health insurance coverage even if you're healthy. Medical emergencies can happen unexpectedly, and a single hospital stay can cost tens of thousands of dollars without insurance. Step 2. Build an emergency fund specifically for healthcare costs. Save enough to cover your annual deductible and out-of-pocket maximum so you're prepared for medical expenses. Step 3. Choose insurance plans wisely during open enrollment. Consider your expected healthcare needs and compare total costs, including premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums. Step 4. Get cost estimates before receiving non-emergency medical care. Call your insurance company and provider to understand what you'll owe before procedures or treatments. Step 5. Verify that all providers are in network before receiving care. Out-of-network charges can be 5 to 10 times higher and may not count toward your deductible. Step 6. Request pre-authorization for expensive procedures and treatments. This confirms coverage in advance and prevents claim denials that leave you responsible for the full cost. Step 7. Take advantage of health savings accounts or flexible spending accounts. These tax-advantaged accounts help you save for medical expenses with pre-tax dollars. Step 8. Review all medical bills carefully and dispute errors immediately. Billing mistakes are extremely common, and catching them quickly prevents collections and protects your credit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.